Hello, carpet cleaning world, and happy Easter. Anyway, today we're going to tell you about a phenomenal special by no other than Soap Daddy Chemicals. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know the full line of Soap Daddy Chemicals, so let's just show you with this Easter one-day sale, April 17th and 17th only. You still got time today, especially if you're on the East Coast. So, let's take a look at what Soap Daddy has to offer. Okay, so if you don't know, this is Soap Daddy. Let me get you the scan code. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. So maybe you can scan this. But otherwise, you see you can go to mysoapdaddy.com. And there's the phone number. Soap Daddy. You know who Soap Daddy is. Sells a lot of great chemicals. Let's start on this end right here. Let me get my finger out the way. Jordan, pick up this first one right here. No, yeah, turn it around so they can see the label. No, this way. No, turn it around, turn it around. There you go. No. Okay. Like that. All right. This is Perfect Rinse. This is a product I love to use when I'm rinsing the carpet. Hence the word Perfect Rinse. This has a great apple scented smell that customers love. This is BioClean's the name of my company. This is Soap Daddy's Perfect Rinse. Their rinsing solution. Okay, you can sit that down. Let's go to the next one here. Lift this up. Okay. This is, turn it this way. Okay, lift it up some. This is BioSpray 08. This is actually my favorite pre-spray, my go-to. BioSpray 08. Very good product. Definitely want to use it. You definitely want to get some. You can sit that down. Pick this up. This is Savage Serum. Now, if you guys are wondering what's commercial pre-spray you should use, if you have a real trashed out, nasty restaurant, or you have a real nasty apartment, or something like that, commercial style, real nasty like, Savage Serum. Right here, you can get that from Soap Daddy. You can sit that down. Now, pick that up. This is one, turn it around this way a little bit, right there. This is one that you guys may or may not know about or heard about. This is One Step Blue. Now, if you're running a cheap steam cleaning special, just so you can get in the door and make a few bucks and be on your way, say the customer doesn't want to buy anything else, you can run this real cheap like. This is One Step Blue. You would use this instead of your rinsing solution and put it right in your 5-gallon jug and just mix that up, about 2 scoops, and then just, fill the 5-gallon jugs up with water and just put your siphon tube in there and rinse the carpet and be out the door. This is real good. It's called Carpet Extraction Powder. When all you're going to do is rinse the carpet and be out the door. You can sit that down. Now, I'll just show them this. This is Grout Daddy. I think that says it all. A lot of you, especially like Johnny Johnson, was saying, hey, DeAndre, do you have any thing for grout? Mark Johnson, he loves doing grout, right? I know Mark Johnson says he wants a liquid. Yeah, Mark, try some of this stuff. It's not easy to hard to mix. Pre-mix it before you get to the job. He's our tile and grout guy in the group, right? Get you some Grout Daddy. You'll be really happy with the results. Pick this one up right here. This is called Beast Elixir Enzyme. Oh my God, no it's not. This is your prime time enzyme. Forgive me. Now, this is my go-to BioSpray 08. But if I need a little bit more Delimaline in my product because whatever carpet I'm cleaning is real greasy, then everyone knows, pick that up again right there, Primetime Enzyme, one of the best sellers that he has in his line there. So definitely want to get you some Primetime Enzyme, and you want to get you some BioSpray 08. Ooh, excuse my fingers there. Ooh, wow, let me get this right. There you go. So that right there is your BioSpray 08. Your One Step Blue, which is just when you're doing a rinse and you're not using no pre-spray. They just want to be in and out. They don't want to pay no money. You can put that instead of your Perfect Rinse rinsing agent. Now, when you use the BioSpray 08, or if I use the Primetime Enzyme, or if I'm doing a commercial job and I use the Savage Serum as my pre-spray, I always end it off with nothing else than Perfect Rinse. Now, if I'm not using any pre-spray because I'm running a steam clean only special, and that's all they want, that's all they can afford, then I'll go in and I'll rinse the carpet. So I'll use the One Step Blue right in my 5-gallon rinse jug, and that'll be it. I'm in and out the door. Now, oh, this is more Perfect Rinse. Boy, I love me some Perfect Rinse. All right, let's talk about this one now. P-Sore. If you go into any situation and you have some pet stains or pet accidents, you can upsell and tell your customer you have a product, an enzyme product, a peroxide product that will neutralize the yellow stain and take the odor away. And no other than Soap Daddy's fabulous known P-Sore. Now, this is what I was talking about. This is the Beast Elixir. So, if you need something that's real strong and P-Sore just isn't going to cut the mustard, I mean, you need something real strong, then you step up to the no other than a Beast Elixir. This is the strong pet odor product that you need to take out the odors and the stains. A lot more peroxide, a lot more enzyme, full strength, top line. Got to get you some. You got to get you both. You got to get you both. What I like to do, if my customers have light odors, I charge them $24.99 a room for the P-Sore. If they have heavy odors and dark brown yellow stains, I charge them $50 a room with the Beast Elixir. And it works. Now, this last one here that I have is Aquamine. Now, we all know that everybody loves to do low moisture carpet cleaning or end capping or OPing. All that's low moisture carpet cleaning. So Soap Daddy has a product right here called Aquamine. Very good product, and it smells wonderful. I can't even tell you what the smell is because it's so good. But you definitely want to get some. Now, you guys are always talking about spot removers. Someone just put up a post today about what's the best spot remover or stain remover. Well, that's not an easy question to answer because you have to know what the stain is. Now, right here is Prime Slime. If you have any sticky, grimy, little gummy or little clumps of grease type thing or gum or glue, adhesive, Prime Slime is your go-to. Okay? Now, we have an organic, Soap Daddy has an organic cleaner called, not Optimus Prime, that's the other low moisture cleaner. I love that stuff. I don't have any more to show you right now. But this is OG1. This is your organic cleaner for organic stains. What are organic stains to all you new cleaners? Blood, things like that, organic. organic situation, juice, things like that, apple juice, grape juice, things like that. That works real good on those. And then this one right here is your Red Raider. Well, I think that says it all. It's Red Raider for all your red stains. So, today and right now, April 17th, Easter Day, 1 day special. Soap Daddy is taking $50 off any orders over $300. So any order that you would make with Soap Daddy today, right now, you can call the phone number. I doubt if anybody be in, but maybe if you leave a message, I'm pretty sure they will honor because they'll see you called today. But otherwise, you can go to info@mysoapdaddy.com, or you can go to mysoapdaddy.com, or once again, I don't know if you can do this, but you can scan the code right here. It's a little, well, I guess not. It's a little windy right now. But I just wanted to go over all the products the Soap Daddy line has. So if you're on the edge, or if you were thinking about purchasing some products from Soap Daddy, I assure you they're CCW, which is Carpet Cleaning World approved. So call today, order your $300 order, get $50 off. That's $50. That's almost 1 gallon of something for absolutely free or so. So you need to make sure you call and put your orders in. You have no excuse. I just went over every product that not every product because I don't have the spray and walk and a couple others that he has here that I use because I used them up. But as you see, I like to order mine in large quantities so I don't have to worry about at the last minute what to do or am I running out of something. Order in quantities, you know what they are. If you have any questions, reach out to them. That's the phone number right there. Make your order today. Don't delay. Happy Easter, everyone.